Punjab Agriculture University, Ludhiana, India is happy to have today the panel discussion on the topic building collaborations for ensuring food and nutrition security. We are very happy that we have very elite and very decorated panel members. Starting from my left, Dr. Gurdev Singh Khush, who is the World Food Prize laureate and also known as the rice man, paddy man. We have Dr. Satbir Singh Gosal, who is the Vice Chancellor, Punjab Agriculture University, Ludhiana. Then we have wheat man, Dr. Bikram Gill, from Kansas State University, having vast experience in wheat program. Then we have Dr. Jaswinder Singh, who is from McGill University and also the alumnus of Punjab Agriculture University, Ludhiana. And he is from McGill University, Canada. Then we have young scientists with us, originally from Spain, but also now pursuing higher studies and a young scientist scholar in McGill University.
She's from Spain.
Yes, from Spain. And on my right, we have two eminent personalities from first McGill University, Associate Dean, Dr.
Benoit.
Dr. Benoit.
Perfect.
So, welcome to PAU. Then we have Dr. Sharon Regan, who is also Associate Dean Research from Queen's University, Canada.
Good.
So, very, we can say, experienced persons we are having with us today to deliberate and discuss the concern we are having and we can say the opening for everybody, that is the building collaborations, work in one team towards one health. With these words, like we are having challenges of ensuring food security and nutrition security, not only to one region, not only to one country, but the whole world. So with these opening statements, I would like to have first question to Dr. Satbir Singh Gosal, who is the Vice Chancellor PAU, that Punjab Agriculture University is known as Mother of Green Revolution in India. And Dr. Gosal, we are having this title and we take this pride of bringing Green Revolution in India, which is not only entrusted and which is not only made India as a sufficient food country, but also today achieved the status of food exporting country. So how you see that today in this scenario, Punjab Agriculture University being high ranked university, number one university, you will see the future prospects in food security, the role of university, the future prospects in food security and nutrition security.
In the current scenario of climate change, we are focusing on developing new crop varieties resistant to biotic and abiotic stresses, and also to speed up the breeding process. Otherwise, it takes 10 years to release a new variety in wheat and rice. To speed up the process for early release of variety, we have set up a speed breeding facility at our university. We are promoting crop diversification. Otherwise, we have two major crops, wheat and rice. So we want to diversify and to bring other crops for growth.
Now we have with us Dr. Khush. Dr. Khush, that half of the world population eat rice. For this, what is the potential of adding more countries other than Asia, more countries in the production paddy in sustainable manner?
There is enough rice, actually, excess rice in the world, and I guess wheat is also little bit more than required. But the problem is the poverty. People cannot afford to buy the nutritious food. So what we need is to produce rice and wheat with nutritional sufficiency, with micronutrients.
Now we have with us the wheat man, Dr. Bikram Gill. What are the next millennium goals you are looking for as a wheat? Because wheat is the major component of human consumption, human food.
The wheat, currently we produce something like 750 million metric tons of wheat per year. And we consume about 800 million metric tons. So we are slightly producing less wheat than we need. And on the top of that, we have unpredictable climate change, which may impact wheat in the future for sure. For example, last year, 2023, we had a late heat stress, and that reduced the yield of wheat.
Dr. Jaswinder Singh. So my question is, keeping in view the current climate change scenario, we have the tools like genome editing. How these tools are helping us in developing the sustainable crop production, which will lead to further this food security and nutrition security.
People from, you know, many decades, they are developing new tools, right? Whether they are markers, whether they are transgenics, right? And nowadays we have a gene editing. So I believe the gene editing is one of the tools in the toolbox which can expedite the plant breeding. So it means we can make now product efficiently, precisely, and faster.
As a scientist, how you see the new avenues and opportunities are coming up in this scenario of climate change?
An effect of climate change is the rise in CO2, for example. And this, for some crops, some plants, will result in higher level of photosynthesis, which will translate in higher yield in some cases. This is not true for all plants, but for some, it's gonna help increase yield, even better.
So new
agriculture.
crops will come in
Yeah,
new
yeah.
regions.
Yeah,
Some countries which are
Yeah.
temperate, like
Yes.
Canada,
yeah, exactly.
Russia are the winners,
Yeah.
but countries like India are
Oh,
losers.
yes. Yeah.
This is how-
So that's what.
Yeah.
Like in Punjab, if temperature goes up, we can bring the banana and
Yes.
Yeah. You're right. You're right.
We
Yeah.
can grow this papaya also,
Yeah.
and so many crops which we grow in South India. So we can try in Punjab also.
Yes.
So it
Yes.
means it can generate diversity.
Yeah.
Yes, and that fruits and vegetables will add into nutritional food security.
That's correct.
Dr. Sharon, we are facing one more challenge of soil contamination. Can you please explain how plants can clean soils?
Thanks for the question.
Yeah.
Maybe as perspective, in Canada, there are 30,000 sites that are contaminated with heavy metals.
Could you please repeat it?
In Canada, 30,000 contaminated sites.
Oh my.
Some of them are very large, with heavy metals and other things like that. So a lot of these contaminated sites could be natural sources, but most often it's related to mining.
Miss Celia, you are working on animal food items, and animals are also the part of food chain. Consuming animal food in sustainable manner means how consumer can consume, and how, as a farmer, how we can grow in a sustainable manner.
A lot of strategies, such as improving meat quality and quantity in each animal, and also make animals resistant to viral diseases, for example. We know that viral diseases cause huge economical losses and also animal losses that can be avoided with the use of resistant animals. I think this way livestock production can be more sustainable, both economically and environmentally.
Artificial intelligence AI can be a game changer in ensuring food and nutrition security on planet Earth. So I'm taking everything in one sentence, how AI can be a game changer.
So AI is a buzzword all over the world. And we are moving toward the precision agriculture. So when we are thinking about the precision agriculture, so we'll have to go for digital agriculture. So we are moving ahead, having a goal to strengthen digital agriculture in Punjab and doing the new technologies at the Punjab Agriculture University. So, like agriculture, as Dr. Vector has said, is a multidisciplinary production system. And all these sections are generating huge data with the application of IoT, Internet of Things, geospatial intelligence, drone technology, robotics, and spectroscopy. AI tools will help in developing prediction models, forewarning systems for diseases and insects and the natural calamities. Further, we are focusing on soil health management using spectroscopy analysis. We are also focusing on automated greenhouses and hybrid hydroponic technology and sensor-based application of fertilizers, pesticides, weedicides. We will also be using remote sensing and AI models to predict crop yields in the field before harvesting. That's our role. Or sometimes there is a damage by the natural calamities, there are strong winds, there is a flooding, there is a damage by the hailstorm or diseases. So we want to predict the yield of the crop before harvesting and using these AI technologies, using all those kind of things. And precision agriculture based on digital agriculture will certainly ensure the food and nutrition security of the country. Thank you so much.
I take this opportunity to thank all the panelists on behalf of Punjab Agriculture University, introducing myself as Dr. Vishal Bacter, who is the Associate Director, Institutional Relations in the Office of Vice Chancellor, and thank everybody for joining us. And we are looking forward to have more discussions and more experience sharing from all of you. So, with these words, stay happy and stay healthy always. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
All right.